Morning, my friends. In today's video, we want to discuss with you about traditional dance and modern dance. Do you know much about this topic? As far as we discovered, traditional dance was rooted in cultural or historical practices, passed down through generations, and often tied to rituals, celebrations, or storytelling, and deeply connected to specific cultures and traditions. In the contrast, modern dance was emerged in the early 20th century as a rebellion against classical forms, so it is focused on personal expression, entertainment, or art for art's sake, and also is not tied to any one culture, often blends elements from different styles. About structure, traditional dance follows strict, formal patterns with specific steps and sequences, highly stylized, with predefined gestures and postures, while modern dance encourages freedom of movement, less structured, more improvisational. The movement style is fluid, diverse movements that can be experimental and expressive. About the music, traditional dance is performed to traditional music, often tied to cultural significance, while they often use a wide variety of music genres, including pop, hip-hop, jazz, etc. For modern dance. About the costume, traditional dance requires specific traditional attire, often culturally significant, while dancers often wear flexible costumes, often casual or contemporary, depending on the style of modern dance. Last but not least, traditional dance is usually taught formally, passed down through generations or taught in schools, while modern dance today can be learned through classes, workshops, or self-expression in informal settings. Anything else can you list? Please share with us your ideas.